Hey folks, it's Adam here with the snowfall forecast for Halloween into Saturday. This would be the image right now. We're looking at Detroit, Windsor down here. Here's your Niagara region, the GTA, Barrie, Muskoka, as you can tell, is dealing with snowfall at the moment. And here's your Eastern Ontario, which doesn't look like they're going to be too impacted. So this is right now. Let me click into the future here. This would be 6 p.m. Already starting to see snowfall in the Bruce Peninsula, Owen Sound kind of regions. As we move forward, we're already starting to see the Barrie. Let me zoom in here. Shows Midhurst on the map, but there's the Elmville, Barrie area, and areas west starting to see snowfall. And as we move forward, it starts to get worse. The darker the blue or purple here is, the heavier the snowfall. It looks like, at least from this model, that the GTA is probably only going to see rain. You might see some flurries, but ground accumulation is not as likely. So this is 10:30. This is 1 a.m. Pan down a bit here. Here is 2:50 a.m. and I'm starting to actually see a little bit of snow popping up kind of south of Grimsby as we move further overnight. Let me show you. This would be 5 a.m. and as we get into the morning, actually, there's a little bit of snowfall south of Grimsby, potentially, because this is still a model and they can be slightly wrong, but this one is actually quite accurate. Anyways, so there is your snow that's tapering off throughout the day. Eventually, it looks like it's going to hang until the afternoon south of Grimsby. But there is your snowfall forecast. So 8 days later, the weather models actually knew what they were talking about, which is pretty miraculous. That's it for now. Everybody drive safe. Please get your winter tires on and let us know what you're experiencing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.